Cheryl Strothers is really a blessing to this church and to this community. The Nurses Guild started by having special programs that started with the Grace family, and then opened up to the community. And so one of the major things in the Black community, as you know, really is the health of the Black community. And we're trying to do everything we can to improve that and to make that available for people to be able to take care of themselves and preventive medicine. Cheryl is the leading force behind that.
I really want to thank Cheryl for her many years of service to the Warren community. She has worked tirelessly for years to help to improve the health of the community. Mostly I'm thankful for her partnership with Humility Mary Health Partners. She has helped me as Humility Mary Health Partners to bring a Know Your Number screening to hundreds of people at Grace AME Church in Warren. And then she's that personal contact at the church, talking to people and working with them about their health to improve their health. She just is such a strong leader, working within the church to improve the health of the community.
Cheryl is our supervisor of nursing, and her duties span a pretty wide range of functions within the City Health District. Obviously, she takes care of all of our immunization clinics, and basically every program that goes through our clinic, at some point in time, Cheryl has her fingers on that. So a lot of what Cheryl does is simply because of the fact that she's based in the community. She knows the community, which is what public health is all about, knowing your community and trying to identify the problems that exist within the community.
I am so pleased to be able to speak in honor of our nurse, Cheryl Struthers, here at Grace AME Church. And since Cheryl has been here, she's been formulating this organization with many positive things that have evolved at our church. I love how she had our Nurses Guild place a health fact in our church bulletin every Sunday to educate our congregation about living a more healthy lifestyle. Cheryl was also instrumental in helping our youth with an exercise and nutritional eating program through our Christian Education Department.
I am part of the Nursing Guild at Grace AME Church. The Nursing Guild started approximately the early 80s. We were all trained first aiders, and it sort of faded out. Then came along Cheryl Struthers, which was a blessing to the Nursing Guild. She insisted that we have our jackets. She makes sure we got our patches with our church and so forth, and our classes to renew our cards for first aid and CPR. But she's been a blessing for us.
This one Sunday morning on my way to the piano, I had an asthma attack. And her husband came and they made the room where I was, where I could breathe. And I was able to continue on with the service. But after church, the same thing happened. So they took me to the emergency room and stayed with me the entire time. I didn't even know their names, or, I'm not a member here, and that didn't make a difference, to them. But, and then the next month, she presented me with a breathing machine that I didn't have to help me get my medicines in order. Cheryl, I thank you so much. Just keep doing what you're doing and don't ever change, because it's people like you that make a difference for people like me. Thank you so much.